what is this dipole moment, sir? If you want to know the percentage of ionic character in covalent compounds, we know if electrons are equally shared, we are calling non-polar bond. If unequally shared, we are calling polar bond. So whether bond is polar or non-polar, we are knowing with the help of dipole moment. So what is the definition? Percentage of ionic character in covalent compounds calculated with the help of dipole moment. It is an experimental quantity. It is a vector quantity. It has both magnitude and direction. Denotion is important. Direction is important. Direction is less electronegative atom to more electronegative atom. Less electronegative atom to more electronegative atom. And atom to lone pair. Atom to lone pair. This is very important point. What is bond moment? Dipole moment of individual bond is known as bond moment. For example, in carbon dioxide we have two bonds. So any single bond, individual bond, we are calling dipole moment. So magnetic bond moment of C double bond O, if you take, dipole moment is not equal to 0, but net dipole moment of carbon dioxide equal to 0. So let us discuss. Now the first one, what is the definition? What is the definition? Product of charge and internuclear distance. Product of charge and internuclear distance we are calling dipole moment. For example, A and B, two atoms we have. The distance between those two will be represented with D. For example, B is more electronegative, therefore it is getting partially negative charge, A is getting partially positive charge. Dipole moment equal to Q into D. Q into D. What is Q? Charge developed on any bonded atom due to difference in electronegativity. What is D? Internuclear distance. The distance between two bonded atoms. What are the units? The units are very, very important. Units are coulombs per dBA are the units. The SI units are very, very important. SI units are coulombs per meter. Very, very important. Very, very important. 1 dBA equal to very, very important. 1 dBA equal to 1.8 into 10 to the power of minus 18 ESU into centimeter. Important. Generally, charge is nothing but 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 10 ESU. So this is the formula. The dBA, charge, everything we should know, and SI units we should know. So very, very important. Right. So now let us discuss how to determine dipole moment. Let us take homoatomic molecules. Homoatomic molecules means hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Difference in electronegativity equal to 0. If difference in electronegativity is 0, dipole moment is 0, such molecules we are calling non-polar molecules. Non-polar molecules. What about heteroatomic molecules? If you take heteroatomic molecules, difference in electronegativity not equal to 0. Difference in electronegativity not equal to 0. And always you remember, dipole moment directly proportional to difference in electronegativity. For example, we have HF, HCl, HBr, HI. Difference in electronegativity 1.9, difference in electronegativity 0.4. So therefore, the order of dipole moment will be HF is greater than HCl, HBr, HI. Very, very important example. Now, let us take polyatomic molecules. If you take polyatomic molecules, net dipole moment equal to, it is vector sum of dipole moments present in the polyatomic molecules. For example, A is a central atom, B and C are bonded atoms. Let us take dipole moment of AB bond. Bond moment of AB bond mu1 and C bond is mu2. Net dipole moment equal to, this is the formula we are using, mu1 square plus mu2 square plus 2 mu1 into mu2 cos theta. Here we have two cases. First one, if molecule is symmetric. What you mean by molecule is symmetric? Molecule is symmetric meaning is no lone pair. No lone pair and bonded atoms are same. Surrounded atoms, bonded atoms are same. Such a case, dipole moment equal to 0 and non-polar molecule. For example, AB2, BeCl2 carbon dioxide, AB3, BCl3 BF3, AB4 methane, AB5 PCl5, AB6 SF6, AB7 IF7, all are symmetrical molecules, dipole moment equal to 0. What you mean by symmetric? No lone pair, bonded atoms are same. So non-polar molecule, dipole moment equal to 0. Very, very important. Similarly, let me take example. For example, if you take symmetrical molecule, what did I say? No lone pair, side atoms are identical, carbon dioxide. In central atom carbon, no lone pairs. No lone pairs. Surrounded atom will be oxygen, similar atoms. So both bond moments are in opposite direction, therefore net dipole moment equal to 0. BCl3, BF3, SO3. No lone pair, no lone pair. Surrounded atom is the same, similar. So therefore net dipole moment equal to 0. Let me take case 2. Unsymmetrical. Central atom has lone pair and different atoms are present. Dipole moment is not equal to 0. Dipole moment is not equal to 0. Very, very important. Dipole moment is not equal to 0. Such molecules we are calling polar molecules. We are calling polar molecules. Polar molecules we are calling. So example SO2. In sulfur dioxide we have one lone pair. Dipole moment is not equal to 0. In ammonia, nitrogen has one lone pair. So dipole moment is not equal to 0. Lone pair is there. Dipole moment is not equal to 0. Other examples you take SnCl2, SF4. They have one lone pair on central atom. Therefore, dipole moment is not equal to 0. For example, central atom has one lone pair. It may be polar or non-polar. How do you decide? Based on vector sum. Here if you observe very clearly, in water, oxygen has, central atom oxygen has two lone pairs. So that is the reason the dipole moment is not equal to 0. But we have exception. Very, very, very important for competitive exams. Xenon difluoride, xenon tetrafluoride, dipole moment equal to 0 non-polar molecules even though they have two lone pairs. In the case of XeF4 we have two lone pairs, whereas in the case of XeF2 we have three lone pairs, but still dipole moment equal to 0. Here I was explained XeF2. Here you see we have three lone pairs and the bonded atoms are present along the axis, axial bonds. So both the bonds are going in opposite direction, less electronegative to more electronegative. Both are in opposite direction, net dipole moment equal to 0. Similarly, so what are the applications? We have different applications. In the case of cis-trans isomerism, if similar groups are present, both are same groups. If similar groups are same side, we are calling cis. If opposite side, we are calling trans. If similar groups are present, the dipole moment of trans generally taken as 0. Therefore, dipole moment of cis is greater than trans. When you take both groups different groups, if you take, here we are taking chlorine and methyl group, the dipole moment of trans is greater than cis. Very, very important. Next, questions if you observe. For example, ammonia, water, HF. Dipole moment directly proportional to difference in electronegativity. So therefore, highest for HF, least for ammonia. In the case of hydrides of 16th group elements, same difference in electronegativity increases, dipole moment also increases. And this is one of the important example. When you take methyl fluoride, methyl chloride, methyl bromide, methyl iodide, electronegativity, charge is more for fluorine, distance is more for iodine, but generally charge will dominate. But here methyl chloride having more dipole moment compared with methyl fluoride, the reason is small size of the fluorine. One of the important example. So next, applications. In applications, one of the important question is there, why the dipole moment of ammonia 1.47 whereas NF3 is 0.24 dB. Here in the case of ammonia, the bond moment will be less electronegative to more electronegative. And here you see atom to lone pair, central atom to lone pair. Bond moment equal to mu1 plus mu2. But in the case of NF3, nitrogen is less electronegative, fluorine is more electronegative, bond moment is downward, here upside. In the case of NF3, the bond moment is opposite direction. Therefore, the dipole moment of ammonia is greater than NF3. So, like this, very, very important. So, we can locate the position of substituent in organic compounds. If same groups are present, ortho, meta, para. If different groups are present, para, meta, ortho. So these are the few important points from dipole moment. Thank you one and all for watching the video. Please do subscribe and share and press the like button. Thank you.